In a world that's always breaking, we can learn to build. Take the pieces that we've shattered, with our hands we'll wield. Understanding all the flaws, in the cracks we find the light. We'll rebuild it from the ashes, turning darkness into bright. Break the wall down, just to see what's real. Wouldn't it be cool to take the wreckage, turn it into something stronger, break the old image? With every piece we've learned from, create a brand new song. In this cycle of rebuilding, we will learn to truly belong. Every failure's just a lesson, teaching us to grow. Find the beauty in destruction, let the past bestow. What was lost can turn to treasure when we dare to start anew. With the knowledge of the hurt, we can find a better view. Stand up tall and face the dawn. Wouldn't it be cool to take the wreckage, turn it into something stronger, break the old image? With every piece we've learned from, we'll create a brand new song. In this cycle of rebuilding, we will learn to truly belong. Rebuild it better, that's our call. From the rubble we rise tall.